Today we're going to do a video of how to make popcorn. So come and follow me, we're going to start. So first you need to get avocado oil and you pour in just a little bit. Then you pour in some popcorn seeds. Stop. Then you put it on the oven in medium heat. No, Willa! No! I don't know how to turn it on.
Okay. Hey, do you know how to turn it on?
I do.
What do you? Cook it on?
I do.
Okay.
Then you put on the lid and you wait until you hear clicking sounds.
Okay.
Lots of them. Then you get a nice big bowl and then you go and melt the butter. And you gotta always have this one.
Yeah.
Then you grab the butter. Then you get a butter knife. Follow me to the butter knife. You cut a little piece of butter. Like that. Daddy. And one more. Daddy.
Mm-hmm.
I thirsty. Then you...
What's that? You're thirsty? Okay, we'll get you some water, okay?
Then you put it back up and you put it back in the fridge. Then you close it and put it to 15 minutes. And then you wait. 14, 13, 11, 10, 9.
Guys, stand back. Don't melt your brains.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then you wait. 2, 1. Yes, it's melted enough. When there's no. Wow! And now our popcorn is almost done.
Oh man,
Now
really?
we need to take it.
Here you go. Oh man, really good. Okay, good.
Took the popcorn off. We just took the popcorn off the stove.
Okay, go. Sage, here you go. Ivy, here you go.
By the way, we just took the popcorn off the stove. Hello? Sage. And we put some salt in.
Do you need a napkin? Sage.
Oh, yeah. Put it around.
Okay, here, use that. Clean up.
This is how you do the real salt. Take a pinch and spit it out.
Okay, now do the butter.
Then I do the butter. And you do it little by bit, then you mix it.
River, get down. Hey, get down.
More, please.
Nice try.
And then you do the last round of butter. Ivy, your drink. Okay, I'm just doing this first. If you want your drink, to the butter, is it? Where's the butter, please?
Okay, now how good is that?
Really good.
Yummy.
And then that's how you make some wonderful popcorn.